Merry Christmas. Okay, so this is the last part of the extra PTC heater in the Toyota that my daughter drives. I have actually been waiting so I could have a good foggy windscreen to see and show you if it actually works or not. I have also a thermometer here. Now it says 4.7 degree Celsius. So I'm going to start the car to see if you can see this now, but it's a really foggy windscreen. So I'll start the car and I need to put in the criteria of full heat, this one to defroster. Obviously the car started and full heat. In order to have the 7-minute timer, during the 7-minute timer activated PTC heater control, or just a timer actually. It did sound a little bit better, but I'll start the car now. Now it's down to 4.3 degrees Celsius, and hopefully it will be rising very quick. I have a flashlight outside, that's why it's a very bright light. So I will see if something happens. I don't know if you can see it's 5 degrees. It's the big number, 5.0 right now. It should be getting warmer within a minute. Oh, it's already 14 degrees. That was quick. The refresh time on this thermometer is like every 20 seconds or 30 seconds something. But that was a big gap. What could that be? 30 seconds after start, you get 14 degree heated air to the window. Now it's 19. It actually seems to work pretty good. You can see it's still very foggy. So we need actually to rely on the temperature coming up. It's very humid weather in Sweden, and it's more like small drops on the inside of the screen. But we're up to 23 degrees right now, and it could be like 1 minute after start. I can assure you that the engine is not warm yet. Do I see something? No, it's just fog. I think the flashlight doesn't give you a correct view actually. It's drying out pretty fast. Now it's 26 degrees. I'm gonna feel if it feels warm too. Yes it does. Yes it does. Well, it's a 200 watt PTC heater, or 100, 26 degrees. This is real time, so actually it's drying out pretty good, the windscreen. I can't give you a fair view, but now after 2 minutes it's 29 degrees, so I assure you that it do work. It's really warm now. If I take it to the floor instead, well, it's a bit warm. Was it? It's not warm on the mid-air output. It's medium, and up here it's warm. Oh, maybe it's hard to see. So if I can recommend this PTC heater addition, yes I can. I also at the same time want to say Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to you guys. Press like. Bye.